might be long. We might have to sit till 2 o'clock, right? And then we will start integration and interfaces. How the system is integrated. What you need to do in terms of SD-FI integration, FIMM integration, right? What are the interfaces we have, right? What are the mechanism which has been used for interfaces? How SAP is linked with a third-party softwares. When I say interfaces, how SAP is linked with third-party softwares. Right? So that is what I was trying to explain yesterday, because I was talking about process, right? This is order to cash and procure to pay process, in which the integration point is here. Right? This is purely SD's transaction, sales and distribution model. The way you create sales inquiry, quotation, sales order, right? Even good issue, invoice, everything happens in SD, right? But good issue and invoice creation will have a knock-on effect in FI, right? So this too is an integration point. So we need to do an integration configuration, right? Because when you are selling something, it is a material which you are selling. So it should have an overall effect at GL level at some point. So that is the integration point, right? Then from here onward, dunning, payment, everything falls in FI. Right? In P2P, these things till here comes in MM. Purchase requisition, request for quotation, purchase order, goods delivered, invoice. These are all transactions. Nobody does FB60 except employee travel expenses and all that, small expenses. Normally, whatever goods which you are buying that are coming from ME21 and Myro transactions, right? FB60 we only use for staff expenses, right? If employees going out for a conference or anything, they are booking hotel, their travel expenses, food they are claiming, right? So for that we need FB60. Otherwise, it comes via route, right? So transaction for invoice creation is called Myro, MIRO. And I will one session we will need for SD, FI and FI integration. First thing I will teach you how it works in terms of end user activities. Right? Then we will see how we can configure the system. Right? So in this case, the integration point is here. Goods deliver and invoice to vendor. This is purely transaction, but it will have a knock-on effect on FI. Right? So yeah, so integration and interfaces. Then we will start controlling. Controlling we will need 3 or 4 sessions. Right? In controlling cost center, internal order, profit center, accounting. I just wanted to give you a glimpse where we stand at this point of time, right? But having said that, I mean, whatever has been covered so far, you need to practice it. That will create a strong base. From here onwards, there is no going back. You shouldn't be asking me like how to create a GL account or a customer account or how I can post a payment. That you should know by heart. Along with the T code and posting wise, you should feel very comfortable. Right? So if you guys can make sure before you come next time, at least twice, you need to practice whatever has been covered so far. I know it's a festival week, right? But you need to pull your weight, yeah. So, will you be able to make it or? Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Big yes.
Yeah.
This time.
Okay. Okay, let's reverse one posting. Right. First of all, we will create a vendor invoice, right? And then we will reverse the same, right? So let's create a vendor invoice first.
FB60.
You're following me.
Yeah, I just don't want to do anything wrong. Because when I go back to the video and try to do it myself, sometimes I get confused.
Okay.
That's why. Don't want to confuse things.
See, since I have posted a down payment, system is giving me this message, right? Even if I'm trying to post an invoice, what it is trying to say? 1500 GBP down payment, current asset exits. Right? So this is just a message. It is system is letting us know there is a down payment for this account.
When I select GL account and put 0, I selected stationery. So it says it is tax. What did it say? I put 0 tax, exempt from. So there was a yellow error though.
You can press
What you have
enter, it will
selected?
go.
V0 or A0?
V0.
Yeah, that's fine. Hit enter. It is warning. FKB1, check your entry does not accept. What is this one?
CW0. That's a company code, it says K. Try with another vendor. Oh, that's 502. That should be fine. 1,500. Right. Just try a different GL account. Are you using a cash GL? Yeah, to choose a different GL account.
It says
And then we save the.
GL is not defined with chart of accounts.
So put it as cash account 3001
See, to post a vendor invoice, it shouldn't take more than 20 seconds.
and then click on simulate.
Have you posted?
Yeah, that's fine. Just click simulate.
Hi, Kapil. Come. Take a chair.
You can take this one. Do you need a board?
No, I don't think so.
Kapil, you can do
Simulate,
this.
yeah, press enter. Yeah, that's fine. Just press enter. Enter. What is it? Text. Just enter some text or something. Some random text. Yeah. Yeah. Again enter. And then what happened? Did you click on simulate again? Yeah. Just click tick button.
Maybe that's talking.
Hello everyone.
Okay.
Is Kapil? He was on my previous batch.
Hi, Kapil.
95.
Percentage is asking.
This is the guy who
No, no. How? What was your percentage on?
90%.
Kapil. How is it going? You are enjoying it?
Yeah, you still have to wait.
So far, where do you wait? We try to
Yes.
We finished today down payment. VAT is done. Statement is done.
Nice to see you all. Same here.
So did you manage to post the document?
Yep.
Yeah.
So go to FB08. What was the document number which you have posted? Do you remember? Need,
So FB08 is to reverse the
yes,
document.
reverse the
right?
document.
Reverse.
If I don't remember, just remember. Okay.
From the drop down,
FB08.
a document list. Put today's date as a posting date.
FB08.
Once.
Click on document list because we don't know the document number. and then click posting date, today's date. We'll click on execute.
We have to give the reversal reason. So what is the reversal reason? Reverse in current period. Reversal in current period.
Sam, one question. You know the last entry, will it be always at the bottom or it will be always on the top? The last document
the
that we
entry,
posted.
which is the last one.
It doesn't give the time,
Very last
but
one, that's one.
you can see from the number ranges,
Okay.
or
003.
we click here,
That's the
we
entry.
can
Time,
Time.
of entry.
Yeah, we don't know, that's the even I see.
Okay.
Now we
Okay.
go to reversal reason.
this is how you will know.
Okay. Thank you.
Now
I have the same question. I did had 4 file documents for today's date.
okay, there is okay, look at here. Right, 2014. I have got many documents. Right. So which one is the last one? So I can click here, additional field. Right. And select time of entry. And click this left arrow button. And it will give me the time as well on screen.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so the reason is reversal in current period. So posting date 28, posting period.
Okay, and once you give a reversal reason, click on save button. It will give you the reversal document number underneath.
So we don't need to put the posting date in there.
No, if you want a different posting date, then you need to put it. Otherwise, by default, it will take today's date.
Okay.
Okay.
Document once was posted in.
Posting date. Yes.
Why is it says document 100 was posted in company code CW01? We are reversing it here. You know the status.
Was posted
Yeah, because
on
when you
We are not deleting it. It's going to
it
another.
will create another document
another
to reverse it.
Okay.
So, what you can do, go to FB03 and check the reversal document.
The document number means the entire posted. I remember the document number. It is not showing on this list.
Which list?
On the document list.
The one which you have just posted now, the reversal one.
Just posted, yeah. I've just posted one transaction on the company.
What transaction you have?
FB03.
I just entered one transaction on the vendor.
It should come up on the list.
Document number.
Starting from 1 and ending
It's
with
asking
0.
for document
Ending
number.
with 7.
Mine is crashed.
Crash. What error is this?
Dumping physical memory. Hard drive.
Hard drive on.
Memory issue.
They happen for the first time.
It used to happen there as well. Once it has happened. Once.
I think it's not a display document.
It will fix the issue. Can you see that document? The reverse one?
Posted.
I posted.
You must have parked maybe.
Yeah, the number we generate on that time, it's come on top now, document number on CW01. That's what is coming.
Yeah, it did come for me. I
When we
deleted
save,
it.
okay, when we save, that number is generated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enter. It will bring the document. The reverse document. Apple care. It's the other way around. So what you can do, go to the Apple account. Apple is your vendor, right?
Yeah.
FBL1N and see, you can see both the entries, invoice as well as reverse.
It was posted.
In my case, I deleted accidentally. I removed the document number from here. So
Okay,
how
again
can we see
same thing, document list,
document list?
today's
And
date,
then posted date.
execute.
Vendor, right?
Okay.
No, no, okay. It's not the this is not the reversal
You
one.
haven't saved it. You must have parked it.
This is the one.
Yeah.
17,000 more. This is your reversal.
Okay.
Yeah, 12,600.
Let us see the model.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
This one. Yeah.
Now you can use
So apply and see. Yes.
When I go on vendor line item display FBL one, that is screen confirm.
This is FB
We
0.
should be able to see the
Yeah,
document.
FB08.
You can see the document. Why not? You're not able to. Okay, let me come. Okay, you go to the vendor account and do FBL 1N
Okay.
and see what do they do.
PL1 in, and then my account is.
That's the one.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. And then it's execute. Yeah.
What about line item? All item.
Yeah.
Yes, सब ठीक?
Nice.
Is
For I answer yeah. So don't ask anything more than that.
Okay. So
Always inspiration to see some success stories. Okay, 90%.
No, you will get it. You will
how's
get
the
it.
interview? Do you think the interview is tough?
Interviews, I haven't given any. I just gave 2, but I got 1 more in queue. That is next week.
Next week.
So I'm just preparing.
How many hours
Good luck,
you
bro.
spend a day with this system?
I spend 5 hours a week.
Reverse document.
Yeah, because I'm working somewhere. Yeah.
But do you
So
think
if you
it's
give
manageable in 5 hours a week?
It
Can you
depends
come
how
from
you
next
like it.
Quality hours.
Kapil, would you like to come from next week?
Oh, you can put it.
Now we are
Company, it was like
going through
another-
important
I mean,
sessions
there are
like
different
Dunning,
levels for the
APP.
reversal of the document.
Will be fun. Will be a refresher for you as well.
Superior power to get.
I'll manage
First thing is that on top of that, economics contribution.
Yeah, that's the thing. I know.
You see, it depends how you practice. Some people they practice 1 hour a day, but they do nothing.
Yeah. But how many questions are you remember?
25, not
How many questions?
in the
Like
certification.
no, for interview question. How many questions you need
Because I don't have too
to
much money.
to answer?
No, I have got 70 page documents.
70 questions. No, questions, numbers. Like how many questions?
You can say about say 50, 60 questions.
50, 60.
Questions.
Sam, I think it's crashing because it's not activated because of that.
Is it?
Microsoft crashes like that. Yeah.
How do I
It's,
activate it?
do you need basically a crack? Why don't you upgrade to Windows 8.1? The one I given you.
I gave it to a friend of mine,
Okay.
but it doesn't have much space left.
How many space? Because it's crashing purely because of not activating. It's something that Microsoft doing it.
As you can see, 10.40.
Okay. I mean, can you delete anything from there? I mean, reformat it and then put everything back in there.
Yeah, but 111 GB is too small storage, isn't it? I need to get a proper laptop.
You know, if you want to get Apple laptop, you could get it as a staff discount, 15% off.
Staff discount.
Staff discount. So if that
From
laptop,
you.
no, from Apple website, get it from as a, you were working for City University and apply the 15% discount.
You got it through City Union.
I just put Harrod's name in there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I did the same thing.
15%. Yeah.
15% discount. So they don't
Is
ask
that how
any
you got
proof.
it?
Yes, I swear. I didn't. I didn't.
You know what? One of my friends, what he did, he registered a company. He claimed 20% VAT back, and on top of that, 15%.
Okay. You could do the same thing in here.
35%.
Yeah. You know, when they send the item, they're not going to mention about your student discount.
So many guys are really intelligent. They just play around the system all the time.
No. You know, on the invoice, it doesn't have as a staff discount in there. Well, I mean, university staff discount in there. So you can use the invoice and give it to a company and claim the VAT back. So it will not stop you. So technically, you get a more percentage.
So how much you paid for this?
This one, I think, roughly around £3,000 something.
15% discount.
With
450
15%, yeah, 15% discount.
So you,
But there are like a different. I bought this one like 1 year ago. Now they have some good good price as well. Like you can get it for £1,000. Like you don't need like a high end one. Like the high end, I got it because of graphics. Like like photo editing and video editing. Like in case you don't need those things, I believe. So like, you can get it for under £1,000.
I like Apple, man. It looks nice.
Get one.
Thanks. No, I only like it because it doesn't crash. That's it. That's the only reason.
Okay, have you done it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you another transaction. Is it a problem? Is it struggling?
No, he's doing a second time the same thing repeat and but he couldn't review it.
What is
Okay.
FB03?
There is another
Just the document
transaction
display.
called FBRA. FBRA. So what if you have an invoice which is cleared against a payment? There is a vendor invoice for which you have made a payment. Now you want to reverse something. Or customer invoice. Customer has made a payment. Now you want to reverse it, right? Reverse the invoice. So first thing first, you need to unclear the payment. Then only you can reverse it, right? So transaction is FBRA.
To clear the payment, yeah?
Unclear or clear the
Clear the payment.
FBR.
No, it's to unclear.
To unclear.
This is to
FBRA. Unclear and reverse both.
Payment and
And I think mass reversal you can do on F.81. Check that
F.80.
F.80, yes.
81 is something for the down payment or something, is it?
Not for the down payment.
Yeah, right.
This.
We have some kind of similarity.
clear the documents. Right.
For vendor payment.
Yeah.
Find out any payment entry, unclear it first, and then reverse it. So do FBL 1N where you have done that payment, discount taken, given, we have done a payment at that point. Find that entry and unclear it, and then reverse
Any
it.
entry we have done to the customer, we can.
I don't know what you have done. I think we have done vendor one, right?
Vendor, yeah.
Yeah.
FBL 1N.
One on FBR one. Just execute one. Yeah.
Vendor.
Go. Playing music or
No. I was listening. You were starting something, na? Modi and medicine.
Oh, that thing.
Yeah. I was thinking at what time it is starting. It's 5 o'clock now.
Modi.
At medicine.
Modi speech, isn't it?
5 o'clock.
5 UK time.
5 UK time. I was just
Okay, we have
listening, seeing on the newspaper. Time now when it is starting.
Payment.
5 o'clock.
I think this 1,000 and this clear payment.
It's full house, na? It's a rock. Not many people get full house over there. 20,000 people.
No, he's doing really good for the overall building so far.
Which one?
Particularly if somebody follow him.
Find out an entry. If you don't want to post an entry, additional entry, when we did a payment entry.
How we find out the entry from here?
FBL 1N,
The one with the green cover.
FBL 1N.
These two are the entries. Yeah?
Find an entry with a payment entry. We did a payment.
Yeah, green one says clear.
Yeah, KZ is
Green one
a
says
vendor payment.
You have to remember the payment.
Yeah.
So that's what. Take that document number.
That one, 7 and this two. Right?
Any, whichever you like.
That's the one we have already.
That's the document number.
Is it yours? Is it
Yeah,
yours?
yeah.
It's a new iPhone.
Yeah.
Where did you get this from? Man?
Must be very expensive, right?
Contract.
It's
Yeah.
recording, so.
It's okay.
Minus entry and if you take the cursor,
Get on one upon
1500
Yeah.
the bottom green.
And you can stop
Which
it
is
now.
ending.
Yeah.
by
Stop it.
This one.
You have to, on a contract, how much?
What is what?
64 per.
64
Just
per
need
monthly.
to- yeah.
But you must have some additional things.
Yeah, I got like 4 landline numbers in here. Yeah, so I got like virtual landline numbers. So this phone have like
How
5
can we
numbers.
copy the number?
Okay, so anybody can call
It
on
doesn't
that
work
fine
as a
numbers
right
come
click.
from
What
this.
was
Come here.
the
So it's
Control
like a
F?
landline number.
What
I
number
have
you want to call?
different
document
businesses.
number from the screen?
Control
So
Y.
I can call the number.
Control Y.
I don't need to be
The icon
involved.
will
I can
change
just answer.
to the plus sign,
That's
then
the
drag
reason.
and drop.
And then it's
First do
unlimited
Control Y.
You have
data.
to pay 64 for that.
Yeah.
You have to say to your mobile.
Then select
RAM to use
whatever
it
you
as
want
a
to
landline
copy.
as well.
Which one?
Yeah.
I didn't get that.
and then Control C.
Oh, so you must be have a lot of minutes then because you are
Yeah,
diverting your
unlimited
phone.
minutes, unlimited track, and I got 20 gig of allowance.
20 gig?
20
Internet.
gig of internet, yeah.
Why don't
And
you
it's
use
4G.
But after doing control
which
Y, it
network?
is just
What
a
else?
square sign.
3 is given.
Then
Not
It
square,
need as-
plus
as
sign.
much
But
as
they
Yeah,
don't
it
have
will allow
the-
you
what
to
are
drag
the landline
and select.
numbers.
Okay.
You can only
Now
have
do
one
control
telephone
C.
numbers with any providers apart from Vodafone. That's right, yeah.
Now we go back.
So I have one SIM card, 5 numbers in there.
It's same as that. It's only a big screen. That's it. Nothing else.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's got like hardware and features are improved.
Yeah.
Like
Let's go with an
camera
invoice.
quality, these kind of
Invoice.
things.
Let's say payment. Okay, payment. Do it for payment. Because invoice might be a bit difficult. Do it for payment.
To
So
clear-
payment you have to unclear first, then only you can reverse. Right? Reverse the payment doc.
Yeah.
document number to reverse.
It's quite hot today. Don't you think?
Yeah. Maybe we just have one window.
No, even it's outside. Also. That's why my head is spinning. You got it. Payment document.
Yeah.
Says it's not the clearing document. Error is coming up as that document number is not a
it
clearing.
should be clearing doc. It should be a payment document.
So how to clear that? How we can clear?
Payment document should be there. KZ.
KZ is there.
Yeah. So copy that number. What about the 17?
KZ one.
Control Y and then you can drag and copy.
I didn't get that.
Control Y. It will change the
I
icon
don't know.
sign.
When did you copy that?
Plus sign.
Yeah, that was a
Both my
different
yeah,
GL
yeah.
account.
not KZ. My
Go
both the transaction is CPS.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we need the
Go back.
controlling document number or just the document number? Do we
This is
copy
the
the
document.
controlling document
Yeah.
number or just the document number?
Document number.
Go back.
So we use that and it says
It has already been cleared.
document
Yeah. Clearing document.
is not a
Hmm.
clearing document.
It's already been cleared, so we can't do anything, isn't it? Because it's already been cleared.
You got
Oh, you have
the same
already
error,
reversed that. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
It's
fine.
already done.
Yeah.
How did you get this?
It's in the
That's document number.
What I need to ask you.
This is invoice. I think.
Balance present.
What is KZ? KZ is here.
Clearing.
KZ is 50.
How do we know? Okay, expense
000.
accounts and income
Let's copy this
accounts.
number.
loan
The thing which
PL
take more than
statement.
12 months
You cannot.
are
That-
sales.
We are not reversing
Yeah,
invoice.
yeah,
We are reversing the
yeah.
payment. So we need to do the copy of KZ. Yes.
Money is back.
Control.
This will be-
This way we. Okay, that's
What are you doing?
when we need to get clear. KZ.
At the
This
moment,
document number.
try to copy this thing.
Yeah, it's not copying. I'll try myself as well. It's not copying. Double click on it actually. Double click on it. So if there is that number coming back again. Yeah, try copying this one here.
Make a payment. Clear one of the documents.
Then what is that? Please let me know.
Oh, it's not like
Yeah,
this
what
one.
KZ is a payment, but it is special PL indicator.
Ah, okay, okay. Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Down
Down
payment.
payment.
Down payment.
So we have to get a payment from him.
Yeah, you haven't made any payment or anything. So you
We
have to-
Yeah.
more charities. We have to get charity.
What is the
Here
number?
also.
It was 0 0.
Yeah, there is one. This is open item, so we need
If it's in
zero.
a red, it means you have to clear that document. If it's a green, that document is clear.
How can I pay now?
With the posting.
Invoice, payment, receive payment,
I think it's
Okay.
saved.
incoming
But
payment, outgoing
Yeah,
payment.
incoming payment.
So save button.
Hmm?
But save
Save.
button.
How do you pay?
No.
Yeah, resetting or reverse.
Yeah.
Only resetting or reverse.
What is the difference you need to understand? Only resetting, it will unclear the payment.
Okay. And
Right?
we want to reverse
Resetting
as
and
well.
reverse, it will reverse as
We
well.
want to reverse as well.
Yes,
Okay.
reset as well and reverse as well. Yeah?
You just pressed enter after that,
Yes, yes, yes.
We need to do posting date and
No, just click on green tick.
F-53.
Okay, so it will unclear and it will reverse also.
clearing is reset. Yeah. Sorry.
Or the set of
No worries.
I think that app
Now I
idea
can see
is
that.
good.
So-
We need 60, 70.
They earn, seriously, for 99 pence app, they earn £1,000,000 per day, per week, you know. Like,
You can
that's what
easily
they
get 10,000 customers within 1 year.
Yeah, you know, like this app, we can post it on YouTube, we could post it on like SAP.com website, we could create some documents and, you know.
Because there are
many things.
already T-code app. No one will buy. But
No, I searched it, I couldn't find it. I searched it, I couldn't
in
find
Android
it.
there are plenty.
Okay, but not in iOS. At the end of the day, iOS is the leading market, like when it comes to businesses.
Okay, let's do one thing. I'll give you one document tomorrow.
Okay.
All the T-code based configuration.
Okay. 1 second.
Configuration and end user.
Okay, but I want it like this. Son, you know my mobile app, I want it to be for each SAP module, so like not like a common one. I want it to be having as a FICO, MM, SD.
You want for
So,
everything.
yeah, so because otherwise it's not useful, you know. So if someone open the app, on the home page, it's gonna have SAP, FICO, MM, and people are gonna click on FICO, and then they will get to basically all the search bar here. It will have a search bar so that they can quickly search, and then it will have a full list of T codes this side, and then description this side.
We will have configuration and end user. When you click on FICO, they will
We could
get
make
two
it as
options.
we could make it as a second app. You know, so this one purely into T codes, like
No. T-code, there are two types of T-code.
Okay.
Configuration T-code and end user T-code. Every 60, 70 is our end user T-code. Like OBD3,
Right.
OBD4.
Okay. So we're gonna have a screen saying front end or back end,
Yeah.
and
It's
then
like end
it's
user
gonna-
or configuration.
configuration. Yeah. So they're gonna get. So when they click on FICO, they will have a two option: front end, back end. I mean, we will rename that, and then the T codes will come and the search bar. So it's like a library.
Is it open there?
That's like
How
yeah.
much it costs to publish an app?
Well, I already have an account for my apps, so like I already have the account with Apple.
How
So
much do they charge?
like I think 60, 70 pound per year. It's about developing and then
And when
publishing.
you publish it, there is no charge for it.
No. You can publish unlimited of apps under one account. Yeah. So seriously, I'm ready to split the money, and I can't make it happen.
Okay.
I can't make it happen. This is my app, you know. You know it. I have it for Android as well. That's my company. You could buy all of my products from here.
Wow.
Yeah. So if it's animal, you select what animal you want, basically, and then it will load all the products from there.
Nice.
And then click on one product, and then you will choose the color and size of the sticker what you want. So color and size required, and then add to cart, and then check out.
Wow.
And it will work for Android, iPad, and mobile apps.
Have you developed in one platform? Or
Yes,
separate
one.
platform. Phone gap.
No. It's basically for each
Different
one.
platform.
Different because this is
You can design app.
export. Yeah, this is
Can you
export.
teach how to design app?
It's a bit hard. That's the thing. You know, like I'm not good at even though I'm developing these kind of apps, I'm not good at it. There's like more to learn. Now Apple released
You know,
like
if
a
you
new
can put
programming.
efforts, I can get you. Can easily.
I totally understand,
You know,
but I'm not
phone
good
gap
at it.
if you can play around because
I'm not good at
phone
it.
gap gives you a platform. You can,
You can
publish
build
app.
it to everything. I totally understand, but it wouldn't have like few capabilities things. few things you can't do much in there. Yeah, go for it.
I was just searching. There are now 3 apps on Apple for SAP keyboards.
Is there?
Yeah.
On Android? I mean, on Apple?
Yeah. Just trying to select.
God, my plan is missing.
Oh.
70 codes.
Doing with the control Y.
If that doesn't work, also click here.
Wi-Fi here.
Yeah.
They have made
There's always a option in
resend it here. Reverse it.
So the payment.
But it's
With the open document.
If he has not made a payment, then
Oh,
he
that
won't
won't
get
give
it.
you.
No, you want to
Clear
create
document.
Yeah.
That won't work.
Yeah. No, fine.
Oh.
Yeah, they have 3 apps.
But if you need
Which one to buy? The expensive one, right?
Hmm?
Buy the 199. They might have something better in it.
See the screenshot.
This is invoice. This is invoice.
Which one? Which one? This one, yeah?
200
5000
Yeah,
British cash.
28.
What are you choosing?
Oh, I got this one. What is that?
10. If there's no item in there, 10 number.
The selected payment payments pay into immediately.
I think the 149 is the good app.
Is better.
Ravi Sankar, that's the guy who
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, you know, that guy will have more
Why you don't just
idea what he's doing.
This is the same idea that I had, I swear on my life, but I never checked it.
You don't make item.
The same idea that I had it in my head, but I never checked it at all.
So,
What is that?
They give all the T-codes.
T codes, yeah.
It's like display all search by
They already have it. I swear I didn't know at
I
all.
saw that, I'm sure. That's
I swear I never checked it, but that's my whole idea.
They stole your idea already.
Yeah. I swear I didn't know at all.
They give you GL and AP, AR, all three.
Hope so.
Okay, I'm downloading the Ravi Shankar one.
You downloading?
I mean,
Okay.
I'll buy that.
Okay, I'll check it on yours and then I'll buy it.
You check on what?
I'll check on yours before I buy it then. Just in
Trying
case.
on my £1.
You went ahead before.
I haven't put my password yet.
You went ahead before me.
Make most of it. And you know what you need to do after that?
Charge him off.
Copy it and email everyone.
No,
You can't email it. It's for this phone.
So you can type it on your system.
Yeah, you can type it.
It needs my payment verification.
Oh, okay.
When posting,
I'm downloading.
it's like a combination here.
So open.
Yeah.
Display all. Search by types.
Yeah.
Look, I just bought it for £149. He got advert in there.
So I say to the vendor and then
Advert in the, you know.
all options.
So he will earn money from this as well. Search by tags.
This one, so not key.
Now it's just letting. Now that's no difference. This one is 0, 0.
27 was the customer or vendor?
Card display? What? Card document display.
Is it an user one?
Should I hold my buying?
Yeah, don't buy it. Don't buy it. Don't buy it.
Double click on that. So that is select.
Card document display.
Nice to know that.
Like,
It's not only me.
You know what? I guess on A8 chip it does not support.
They give you display now.
Because any app, when
There
the
is more.
the chip is changing now,
Last select.
like NatWest Bank app does not support the recent A8.
Is it? I thought it's to do with the software,
No,
operating system. It's nothing to do with the chip. Chip is there to make your application to be fast.
chip or the software.
Software. So basically the operating system. So they don't support iOS 8.2.
There are no reviews.
It's coming as card document display. I have no idea. I was thinking to get FB03.
Put FB03 and just say what is
Search by
that.
module. Okay,
We learned
FICO.
because this I was
Fi. Okay.
Somebody else part
Case
print, but most
Code summary.
KR is still as
Reliance is the customer one.
for one invoice. So there are two outgoing.
That's why
This
here
will be some such
still
here.
here.
Just
one
message.
invoice.
So suppose
Yeah.
Did you
this is 2,000 and then 30.
What is
Hmm.
See, I have a like take
Not
a
only that, I need to watch some good
26 is Reliance.
Not 26.
Display document.
See, this is a DR, right? As soon as I click this, it asks me to.
That's the second step.
You need only resetting or resetting and reverse. Resetting means unclear the payment which we
No,
have.
not just the previous means
The second option is resetting plus reverse. Unclear and then reverse.
I'm not happy with that.
But again, we
It's a
have
customer.
confusing.
That's why it's kind of
Clearing has been
So I'm
set.
gonna search
Document which has been
vendor
set.
document payment. Yeah. Okay.
This is the
Vendor.
invoice which we haven't paid. This is the list which we cleared. This invoice, it was before this list
Nothing to me.
with B option.
Zero T
That
plus
was
time.
KZ.
Customer.
vendor document payment.
Invoice
Vendor.
we reverse it. Now it's come in this list.
Vendor list, vendor balance, local currency, vendor interest.
This is unclear. This DR which we have made payment against, 1,000 which is unclear and reverse as well. Reversal document. This is a reversal document.
See, ME is SAP MM.
So there are two entries or just one invoice?
See, there is a payment
One
entry.
should be clear.
Okay.
This is a payment entry.
Yeah,
Right?
we just did it, yeah.
Yeah, this has been reversed. See, as you can see,
In red.
the one with the minus here is the credit,
And then just put it.
which doesn't have minus.
Print process
So
order
this
is
was the
COPD.
entry initially made, which is cleared, cleared and uncleared and then reversal finished, right? So their effect is nullified. And now DR become open item again.
So this
Check this one.
Now, wait a minute. Now,
What is 201?
this
This
is
is all
the
one
same.
with the white printer.
So you can do on both sides, customer and vendor.
reverse.
Just work very small payment.
No, nothing coming.
This is
They have the app, but it's not good user interface, and most of the codes are not coming. The interface is not good, and then second thing is all the T codes are not coming here.
I'm telling you, if we have a solution driven app,
Okay.
That's more
you
better.
can do it.
So how we
Consultant will pay, if you say
This is
£2, £3, £5 people will pay.
okay. So consultant gonna come, look at the app. Are they gonna tap their problem, or are they gonna just check on the list and
Check on the list.
Check
On
on the
different
list.
modules, enhancement and support.
All right, give me.
If we have
and I'll do that.
100,
Yeah.
even in FIC, if we have 100,
Yeah.
people will go massive.
Okay, give me all of them out here. How much shares? How much shares between me and you?
50-50.
50-50. I've got some programming skills here. Come on. 40-60. 46. 10% more for programming.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah, thanks.
Go for it.
Thank you.
We cracked the deal.
Vendor line item. This is how I know which one I did unclear or reverse, which one is there.
for that invoice.
Okay. So
Successful done.
this is your,
So once you pay a set,
what is your payment? See, this is KZ, which is open item, right?
there will be a
Which was cleared against this. But then, this is the interest. 1500. The one with the minus at the back is a credit entry. And this is normal entry, debit entry. When we made a payment,
It's free on Android. That Ravi Shankar is free on Android.
I just wasted my money for this. 149 pence.
so this was your invoice, KR 1500, right? Against which you have made a payment of 1500 here, right? So it was a cleared entry. But what we did, I think you have done something wrong here. Can you let me sit? So that
No, this is payment. See, the document clear that. I'm net amount 100. Now,
Clear the payment.
5 4 times 0 2. You have done it? Can I give you another task? A business, it's an enhancement, right? Those who have finished.
Yeah, I'll do
Enhancement.
that. I'll do that as well.
It's not an enhancement, but it will pick your brain. Business need a report spent by supplier. Yes. Only how much money we are spending for each supplier. How you can get it. Only spending, not another. We should not have any credit note, invoice, anything. How much money we are paying to different vendors. That's all we want. Spent by supplier report. Because you can invoice, right? You can invoice your customer and vendor. What if there is no payment? Spent by supplier report. So,
Reporting.
Document code, amount is missing, your whole part is you won't be able to see it.
what was your vendor account?
Apple one 5001. Yeah, that's 721.
2?
Yeah.
What I'm trying to do, clear invoice against payment, because you have invoice and pay. See this minus 3.
Yeah, generate the report now.
How?
Vendor.
Raj,
The part.
you know the free app is there? That's the best one.
There isn't.
There's a free app.
One
is there.
second.
You can only see 3 in the results. What did you
The
search?
top one.
Let's.
The top one, free app.
I got revision for free.
Yeah, on
No,
Android.
but
Yeah.
it
But
says
his app is not
149.
good. His app is not
No,
good.
it's not good. Come.
No, you know, when you search it, the search is not that powerful. It's not good.
No. Did you download it?
Yeah, I built it. I tried it.
Because it's module wise, you know. Let's see.
Yeah, but it's not good. So
which one you are
so
saying?
you basically go to module, you put FI, yeah, all the results in here,
All items.
there's no search in here. Yeah? Okay, and all these transaction code, not all of them
I
in
was
here,
looking for one key.
not all of them here, they're only less T codes is here.
Okay.
Okay?
See, these are all
That's
open,
two
right?
things.
In which I can see there is a
And
key
then-
in that item. But it's a down payment, that's why
You know, when you search it,
it makes sense now.
search, say,
So forget about this case here.
the search is
Here was paid.
with vendor payment, search it.
Right? So it wasn't a red item, the invoice.
No
It was a
T
green
code for
item
vendor
since it was
payment.
cleared. What we did, we have uncleared.
Yeah, but no, but if you put
So
vendor,
this was a
it will
payment
come-
document. Since
the
we have
search is not
uncleared, it
powerful.
has reversed the entry.
You know,
As
you
can
got
see,
it, yeah?
1500
Yeah.
without minus
These are
and
these useless.
1500.
Yeah. And
But-
that's the clearing document. I know
There's
that's
a
the
free
document
app,
number
yeah?
which they give me when I press it. But again,
Transaction
it's a little
code.
bit ambiguity that I am not sure about. That's why I'm asking that.
No, this
Transaction codes.
because since it is unclear, we cannot get a clear. So that
SAP transaction code.
1500.
Yeah, special.
That's a powerful
Unless
solution.
the purchase like a year.
It's the best one.
So 113 questions in the exam.
So clear that. Clear that house, yeah?
You mean in the
Yeah,
certificate?
clear that.
No, they just ask you 80 questions.
80.
Clear.
And from 80 you need to clear 50.
Instead,
80
Yeah,
out
at
of
least 52,
52.
is it?
Not bad, you know. There is a chances of passing.
Is it multiple choice, isn't it?
Yes,
Multiple. But there is a negative.
no, negative ones.
No?
No. Oh.
Passing is 65%. Right?
Yes, 60.
yeah.
So what is 65%?
52.
52 is 65.
Then
Yeah.
why it's this one?
Yeah, 8, 6, 48 and the rest. Yeah, 52.
But don't target 52, target 62. So you can rely around 55, 60.
These are the different
We're going to target 80.
Why we target 60? No, no, it is universe. Universe two documents.
Krish. I got so many apps here. Lots of.
Android, is it? Yeah, that's what Sam said. On Android, there's a lot.
Android have so many.
More than 200.
No.
As in,
I'm confused now.
Technically.
I did because the very first time we talked, this open item with reverse. Yeah, it was an Android, right? The second item it was.
It says that he got this discount.
Yeah, so you
Training
it
is the kid,
was only one invoice, yeah?
Cash discount has been 30 pounds. Yeah?
They're all free, isn't it?
The Mac does not work so
They all
accurately.
free,
There is a
yeah.
discount as well.
Then we check.
Remove the discount.
Wait.
Post. Now, right?
All I said.
Can you
Now
see
I have
this?
4 entries.
See, this is
Yeah.
cleared, right?
Yeah.
KR 1500 and KZ, right?
Yeah.
Now we
Two
want to.
entries showing minor. One is KR and one is
See,
KA.
this is clear, green is clear, red is open, right?
Okay.
So this KR is invoice, KZ is payment, right? So these two are clear. But now we want to reverse this KZ and we want to keep this open. So KZ document number is 150001. So what it will do, it will create another entry for KZ with a minus sign, 1500 minus sign, and then this KR, this 9003 will become an open item.
Open item which come on red one.
Yes, right? So the document we have, we want to reverse is 150001. FDRA. Yeah.
It's coming right now. Fine. That's 2014.
It's fine, that's not bad. Yeah. Resetting and reverse.
Yeah.
That's clearing reset, and this is the document which is created. Okay. And if I go here on vendor account, all I have to do is list refresh.
Yeah.
So this become an open item again. So 1500 is been nullified. One is minus entry and one is plus entry. And this is how it is. Right? How you did that?
Just download it back for
Yeah.
It's got navigation 48 questions, solutions 46.
You didn't follow the
501 questions in all the different departments.
Go for it.
Which one is that?
doing.
Yeah, 299.
How you did
We are
that?
looking. All of us are looking.
That's the
App.
I don't know. I'm right or wrong.
It's a SAP FI certification. It's got 501 questions. SAP.
All I need is spend by supplier.
There may be on Android
Payment.
because people
Only payment
create-
is-
Yeah, that's what I think. The 69 pence is a different FIA, FIC.
I'll create it. Sam is sending me.
No, I'll explain. No worries. We have made an attempt. So, anyone have got any clue how do we go about it?
Which one was it?
Okay, vendor
We lost one
spend by.
customer.
Huh?
We lost one customer. He already bought the app.
We already got that.
No, I'll download which one you create.
No, it's mine is not on certification.
Okay.
Practical.
Okay. No, I want to have everything. Is it possible? Let's see. So big money and then have
Then can you
everything.
do it like to have the
Exam
certification
questions.
add an extra pound?
Yeah, in-app purchase. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I just want to charge it one cost like £10 and have everything in there.
Like more expensive, it is people will buy more.
Exactly.
You need to show the screenshots back up.
No, they have a one feature called video, so you could show a video of before they buy it.
Come on.
Yeah.
My PC is very slow.
I'm gonna do it. Let's see.
What time is your flight?
Then you pay for the US. You don't US.
It's been ages I haven't controlled the delete.
So you're gonna send me for all the each modules,
Yes.
or
Not for each module. I just have it for FIC.
FIC? So shall we just start with the FICO first?
Yeah.
So SAP FICO, and then in there
Then I
all
have
the T
to-
codes.
This is just
Yeah, charge £10 or something for each module. That's rather than have everything in one app.
Or I have a ready. Let's do a cracking one. Yeah. Let's do interview question answer.
Interview. I think he just bought one for $2.99 in there.
Interview question answer.
no. It's a certificate.
We
Certification.
will
It
do for
also has
interview.
interview questions.
Question answer.
No, they also have interview question as well. I looked at the heading. You see, interview, test and practice. SAP FICO certification and interview and test practice. So they already having it, but they don't have. So that's the question. So if we have it as a one app, everything, people will more likely to buy like a one app rather than buying little by from everyone. That's what my concern.
Display document.
A lot of people will download it.
Okay, let me show you. Then we will break off. It's almost 2 now. So spend by supplier report. Come on. SAP is slow. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Sorry.
Okay, so FBL 1N, same transaction, it is not new transaction, right? Here we have got a button, if you can see on the screen, dynamic selection. When we click there, we will get few more extra options, right? This button, dynamic selection. Then Here we will say document type. What is document type? Document type is nothing but different nature of transaction. We will only select payment related document type. KZ. KZ, or if you have some other document type for check payment, BACS payment, right? You can do multiple selection via clicking here, this button, right? I can go and put multiple things, right? I can have more than one, right? We can import data from text file. This is from clipboard. Clipboard means something which you have done with Control C. You can directly, click this box and it will paste it. So this is KZ. Likewise, whatever document type which we use for vendor payment, I can put it, right? And then I will have 0 to Z vendor. I will say 0 to Z. Company code is CW01. All items. And execute. Hmm? Right? It will take long time, did you say?
No, it was saying wrong time.
See, it will give me only payment related document. Right? Another things, few.
I got the cash deposit as well. Like deposit.
Yeah, that's fine because that is document type was same. KZ. Right? Okay, shall I? Yes.
I also read the document data already works.
Because that reversal document is using the same document type. What you need to do if you want to avoid it, because if it is reverse, it should be on the list, right? You don't want to consider something. So you want a payment which is actually made. If it is reversed, it should come up in the reversal as well. Right? Otherwise, if it doesn't come up, then it is adding a line which hasn't been paid. Because that payment which is reversed is not paid. Right?
But then it doesn't give me how much I need to still pay to the customer, to the supplier. The report, it won't give me the actual amount that I need to pay.
It is not need to pay. How much we have paid so far.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. So it will nullify the reversal. See, it is a different figure, right? As you can see, minus and one entry will have a minus sign at the behind, and another might not have minus sign.
But that is for the reversal. Now, what I'm telling you is like for a report, how much I have paid to the supplier. It includes that reverse amount, which it means the money what I have already got back from the supplier. The report still shows I have paid that money.
No, it won't. That's what I am telling you. The minus sign, what it is saying is a credit entry. The one which has got minus is the credit entry, and one doesn't have minus entry is a normal entry.
Today's event day, if you parked outside, you will get a ticket. No matter if it's on a free day, but this is Wembley event area.
You never know when is the event.
They are rip-off.
Today is an event.
Wembley Council is rip-off.
I wouldn't be surprised if you got the ticket. You all share.
Yeah.
The cost.
Okay, in that case, you need to include the reversal document.
Sorry, I thought last Sunday that I will put it on a WhatsApp. Then next Sunday is the event day, parking is the parking. But I forgot to post on the WhatsApp.
It is red.
We create the tickets for you now.
You must have selected some other
We will
document,
reverse
right?
it. No, just we're gonna consider this.
Yeah.
Then
it will tell on the signboard even to
This is
Let's do size.
no,
this
there-
reset is your down
no,
page.
there
So might be
there will be on the sign on the signboard. There is a
I
bar.
don't see any sign for that.
Say. Yes. Okay. First thing first, this parameter that I am selecting, if I am running this report in a regular basis, do I have to do this every time? 0 to Z, CW01, all item, normal item. I can create a variant. Right? Go to variant, save as variant. Right? And I will give my name to this variant. Come on.
It's like a file, you create a file.
Template.
It's a selection template.
Have you brought different marker? It's not mixed straight away.
Where is it? Okay, I'll say Sam1, yeah, and I'll click on this save button. Right, I'm creating a variant. How it affect? I'll tell you. It asking me to input a text. Okay, I'll input the meaning of here as well. Sam1. Yeah, and then save. Right. When I will run this transaction again, FBL1N, if I want to make a similar selection, all I have to do, click here, and my variant is here. Right.
So,
When I double click, it will do the selection, including this active directory, active selection. Right. So if you are running some few reports in a regular basis, you can create a variant.
so same thing for bank payment or invoices, same concept, is it?
Yes, not this is not transaction. We are running.
For
We are running
transaction,
report. Yes.
reports, yeah. For transaction, we could do the same thing.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. And another thing, last thing, this is for the selection. Similar thing in this report. When this report is generated, you want to add few extra items, right? So what you do, you select this, and imagine you have added a clearing date, and you have added a posting key as well, and a company code, right? 3 items I am adding. I have clicked here and click copy. It will add 3 items, but every now and then I don't want to do it. Add this manually. I want to save this layout as well. So what I can do, I can click here, save layout, right? And I can type. It should start with Z. If I say Z Sam, there is a tick user specific. If I tick user specific, this remains just for myself. If I don't tick this, it's available to everyone, right? It won't be available here everyone, since our system is not interconnected, but in companies, right?
Standard layout must.
Standard layout must start with a special character. Okay, slash, it needs slash, / save. What it means, when I rerun this transaction, it is not bringing those 3 items which I have added. All I need to do, or I can set this default. I will click here and I will choose the layout which I have just created, right? I'll double click here, right? I can make this default as well if I wish to, right? Okay, so what we have done, spent by supplier, this is an enhancement. Business might ask you, business want a report to see how much money we have paid to all the suppliers. So how they can go about it, FBL1N, they will select all the document types and then run a report. And there are 2 things which I have showed, which is basic end user thing, right? You can create your own variant and you can create your own layout as well, right? Tina?
Yeah.
Okay, now I think you all can shut down your machine. And next time, please, I know it's a festival time, but
Learn it if
practice.
you want a job.
Hmm?
Learn it if you want a job.
Yeah.